Route 1, Wheelies found to Highway 15. Route 1 Queen westbound to Mount Pleasant Grove Station. Route 1 Queen eastbound to Highway 15 via Flower City Community Campus. Route 1 Queen westbound to Mount Pleasant Grove Station via Flower City Community Campus.
Route 1A Queen eastbound to Coventry Road.
Route 1A Queen westbound to Major William Short Drive. Route 2 Ontario southbound to River Ontario and 407 Bovaird Drive. Route 2 Main northbound to Heart Lake Terminal.
Route 3 McLaughlin southbound to Brampton Gateway Terminal.
Route 3 McLaughlin northbound to Heart Lake Terminal. Route 3A McLaughlin southbound to Brampton Gateway Terminal via Flower City Community Campus. Route 3A McLaughlin northbound to Heart Lake Terminal via Flower City Community Campus. Route 4 Chinguacousy southbound to Brampton Gateway Terminal. Route 4 Chinguacousy northbound to Mount Pleasant Grove Station. Route 4 Route 4 Chinguacousy southbound to Brampton Gateway Terminal. Route 4 Route 4 Chinguacousy northbound to Mount Pleasant Grove Station. Route 4
Route 4 Chinguacousy southbound to Brampton Gateway Terminal.
Route 4A Chinguacousy northbound to Mount Pleasant Grove Station. Route 5 Bovaird eastbound to Westwood Mall Terminal. Route 5 Bovaird westbound to Mount Pleasant Grove Station. Route 5A Bovaird eastbound to Westwood Mall via Airport Road. Route 5A Bovaird westbound to Mount Pleasant Grove Station via Airport Road. Route 6 James Water southbound to Ontario and 407 Bovaird Drive. Route 6 James Potter northbound to Mount Pleasant Village. Route 7 Kennedy southbound to Bovaird Drive. Route 7 Kennedy northbound to Mayfield Road. Route 7 Kennedy southbound to Bovaird Drive. Route 7A Kennedy northbound short turn to Heart Lake Terminal only.
Route 8 Center eastbound to Bramley Terminal.
Route 8 Center westbound to Brampton Gateway Terminal.
Route 9 Vaughan eastbound to Westwood Drive.
Route 9 Vaughan westbound to Mount Pleasant Grove Station. Route 10 South Industrial southbound to First Gulf Boulevard. Route 10 South Industrial northbound to Bramley Terminal. Route 11 Steeles eastbound to Humber College. Route 11 Steeles westbound to Liscargo Station. Route 11 is Steeles westbound to Humber College. Route 11 is Steeles westbound to Brampton Gateway Terminal. Route 11D Steeles westbound to Liscargo Station via Maple Lodge Farm. Route 12 Grenoble southbound to Bramley Terminal. Route 12 Grenoble northbound to Countryside Drive.
Route 13 Avondale southbound to Bramley Go Station.
Route 13 Avondale northbound to Bramley Terminal. Route 14, northbound southbound to Westwood, Wall Terminal. Route 14 northbound, northbound to Countryside Drive. Route 14A Toronto northbound to Countryside Drive.
Route 15 Bramley southbound to Derry Road.
Route 15 northbound to Bramley Road and Expire Boulevard. Route 15 Bramley southbound to Bramley Road Station. Route 15 Bramley northbound to Countryside Drive. Route 16 Southgate southbound to Bramley Road Station. Route 16 Southgate, northbound to Bramley Terminal. Route 17 Houghton, southbound to Bramley Terminal. Route 17 Houghton, northbound to Trinity Common Terminal. Route 1860, southbound to Myerside Drive. Route 18 Dixie, northbound to Mayfield Road.
Route 18 Dixie northbound to UPS Caledon. Route 19 Fern Forest northbound to Countryside Drive. Route 20 East Industrial eastbound to Devon Road.
Route 28 East Industrial eastbound to Airport Road and Driver Road. Route 28 East Industrial westbound to Bramley Terminal. Route 23 Sandalwood eastbound to Queen and Highway 50. Route 23 Sandalwood westbound to Mount Pleasant.
Route 24 Van Kirk southbound to Peel Memorial Hospital. Route 24 Van Kirk northbound to Collingwood Avenue.
Route 25 southbound to Peel Memorial Hospital.
Route 25 Edenbrook northbound to Mayfield Road.
Route 26 Mount Pleasant southbound to Mount Pleasant Village. Route 26 Mount Pleasant northbound to Mayfield Road. Route 27 Robert Parkinson southbound to Mount Pleasant Village. Route 27 Robert Parkinson northbound to Mayfield Road.
Route 28 Remembrance eastbound to Sandalwood Loop. Route 28 Remembrance westbound to Mount Pleasant Village. Route 29 Williams eastbound to Queen Street. Route 29 Williams westbound to Mount Pleasant GO Station. Route 29 and Williams eastbound to Steeles Avenue. Route 29A Williams westbound to Mount Pleasant GO Station.
Route 30 Airport southbound to Westwood Mall. Route 30 Airport northbound to Mayfield.
Route 35 Clark Way to Queen Street.
Route 35 Clark Way to Brampton Civic Hospital.
Route 36 Garden Brook northbound to Mayfield Road via Gore Meadows Community Center. Route 41 Bolton northbound to Columbia Way.
Route 50 The Gore southbound to Humber College.
Route 50 Gore Road northbound to Gore Meadows Community Center.
Route 50A The Gore Road southbound to Humber College. Route 50A The Gore Road northbound to Squire Ellis Drive. Route 5103 eastbound to Brampton Gateway Terminal. Route 5103 westbound to Hereford Street. Route 52 McLaughlin southbound to Brampton Gateway Terminal. Route 52, McLaughlin, northbound to downtown Brampton Terminal. Route 53, Ray Lawson eastbound to Brampton Gateway Terminal.
Route 53, Ray Lawson westbound to James Potter Road and Shirley Boulevard via Sheridan College.
Route 44, County Court to Brampton Gateway Terminal.
Route 35, Elburn Markle southbound to Flower City Community Campus.
55, Elburn Markle northbound to Pleasant Grove Station. Route 36, North Brampton Gateway Terminal. Route 57, Charlie southbound to Brampton Gateway Terminal. 57 Charlie northbound to Major William Sharp Drive.
Route 60 Mississauga Road southbound to Derry Road.
Route 60 Mississauga Road northbound to Mount Pleasant Road Station. Route 81 Mayfield West to Sandalwood Loop.
Route 81 Mayfield West to Caledon.
Route 104 Chinguacousy Express southbound to Brampton Gateway Terminal. Route 104 Chinguacousy northbound to Sandalwood Parkway.
Route 5012 south to Vaughan Metropolitan Center. 3512 train eastbound to Smart GMC Terminal.
Route 501 westbound to downtown Brampton Terminal.
Route 501C Zoom Queen eastbound to York University.
Route 502 Zoom Main southbound to Mississauga City Center Terminal via Brampton Gateway Terminal. Route 502 Zoom Main northbound to Sandalwood Parkway via Brampton Gateway Terminal. Route 505 Zoom Bovaird to Mountain Grove Station. Route 505 Zoom Bovaird to Mount Pleasant Grove Station.
Route 511 Zoom Teals eastbound to Humber College.
Route 511 Zoom Teals westbound to Mississauga Station.
Route 511C Zoom Steels eastbound to Humber College.
Route 511C Zoom Steels westbound to Sheridan College.
Route 5621 Zoom Queen west to downtown Brampton Terminal.
Route 561 Zoom Queen west to Mount Pleasant Road Station. Route 200 Durham High School.
Route 215 St. Thomas Aquinas westbound to Mount Pleasant Road Station.